Kiara, and I know, long time no see. If you're new here, hi, thanks for watching, and if you are not new here and you've been watching me for a while, thanks for sticking around, because I know I'm annoying and I don't like to post ever in my life. So thanks for being here. So today I'm just gonna do another Mako tutorial. It's been a while and summer has been inspiring me, and so I've been wanting to do a golden hour look. If you wanna see what my golden hour look looks like, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it, and as I'm doing this, we can talk about where I've been, which won't take long because I really haven't been anywhere. I'm going to be priming my face with this. It's the Smashbox. It's a Smashbox primer, and it's called Golden Hour Glow Radiance Primer. Wow. So I only have testers, as you can see, but we're gonna try that out today. But first, I already moisturized my face. I'm gonna go in with this anti-acne treatment Cover FX mattifying primer, and I know we're trying to go for glowy skin, but I'm just gonna put this in like the areas where like my acne's been really bad, which is kind of one of the reasons why I've been pushing this video back, because my face has just been, you know, feeling waves recently. So we're just gonna put that in like specific areas where my acne is really bad and like where I get a little too oily. And also, because like I've just been picking at my face, it's just gross. You probably can't see it on camera. Maybe you can. Maybe it's that bad, but it's bad. So it's healing. But yeah, going in with this primer now, I'm just gonna kind of dot it on the areas that I want to be glowing a little more. I don't have a glowy foundation because I never want to be glowy, because I get glowy so easily. So I'm just going to be using the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB cream for oily skin in medium deep 550. Looks like that. And I'm going to use this on my face because, like I said, I never really want to be glowy or oily looking. But that's just my preference because I'm combination oily, but I'm more on the oily side. So that's why. Okay, and I'm gonna be using, this looks huge. This is, I got it from Forever 21. I don't get my things from real places, but I'm gonna use that to buff this in. Thought I'd try out my new beauty blender because my old one's kind of beat up. I'm just gonna add more. Okay, so now we're gonna, you know, cover up any spots that are like really bad, and I'm doing that with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium 1.75 tiramisu. And I'm just gonna put that in the areas where my acne and pimples or whatever are revealing themselves a little more than I want them to. So now that that's blended, we're gonna do the under eye area, and I'm gonna do it, actually, pause. Before we do under eyes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. My battery died, or like not died, but it was running low. So as I was changing it, I just decided to finish the eyebrows off camera. So I just filled them in, brushed them out, and then I put some concealer under it to clean it up. Well, anyway, they're sisters, not twins, and I honestly like kind of don't care. So now I'm going to do my under eyes, and I use this concealer for under my eyebrows as well, but it's also my like highlighting concealer or whatever. So it's the Ready Set Gorgeous CoverGirl concealer in medium, and then I'm all over top of that, I'm putting the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer in yellow, or 10. And then I'm just gonna blend it in with like a brush. H Cosmetics 129. Set that. I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. It's just like this. I usually use it mixing with MAC Painterly Paint Pot or Soft Ochre Paint Pot, but I didn't take out Soft Ochre, so we're just using this. And I mean, it seems to work. Now I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't even know if you've seen all this stuff. I got a bunch of stuff for my birthday, but anyway. I'm just gonna take that on like a big round brush and just set under my eye and on top. I'm just setting my face with the CoverGirl Clean Oil Control Pressed Powder in Soft Honey, number 55. For contour, I'm gonna go in with the NYX contour palette, but I'm also gonna go in with this Rimmel Natural Bronzer that I've had literally forever. You can see it's like all taped up and broken in a pan. Start with this bronzer to warm it up, and then I'm gonna use the contour palette to actually brighten it. I'm just going to use the same angled brush that I was using to contour before, and I'm just going to go into the darkest shade and just kind of put that in like the deeper areas. Okay, and then for blush, I know I don't usually do this, but I'm going to be using this Honey Bronze blush from The Body Shop. This Fenty Beauty highlighter, which I got for my birthday, of course, and mine is the duo Mean Honey and Hustler Baby, and I'm just going to put Hustler Baby on the high points of my cheeks. That's beautiful on its own, and I wear it basically every day. But I'm also going to mix it with Golden Bronze in the Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow palette, just because this is even more bronzy. The face is done. And now we're gonna do eyes. I'm going into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm gonna be using this brush, just a buffing brush, and I'm gonna use this orangey color, that one, and I'm just gonna put that into the crease as my transition shade. Crease even brighter now, I'm going to go in with a brighter orange shade that's above it and just go right in to the crease with that. Leave that for now. And we're going to switch over to the star of the show, if you will, the Urban Decay, I think it's Distortion. It's called Distortion. I got this for my birthday as well, and as you can see, I guess you can tell which colors we're gonna dive into. We're gonna go in with what other than our finger, and I'm gonna go into First Defense and just put that on my lid. I'm kind of just doing it on the first half. Now we're gonna go into territorial with our other finger and, oh, ew. Okay, we're gonna go into territorial with our other finger and just put that on the outer corner. Now we're just gonna go in again with this and we're just gonna blend out those edges. Like I said, if you guys have anything you want to see me do, let me know or else I won't post. Like, honestly, it's unfortunate, but it's true. I've been really busy, like I said, with prom and grad and all that. And July was mainly for adventuring and just hanging out with friends, and now August has been a lot more about family. So my family from Saskatchewan came, and if you could see that blanket that's on my bed, my aunt actually made me that. And it says grad 2018 on it. It's so beautiful and it's cozy. So like I've been really focused with that recently, so I haven't really been able to make a video, but it has come to my attention that I have been away for a long time, so I'm back, trying to be anyway. I just need some motivation, y'all. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty highlighter again on a little brush, and I'm gonna go in with both of them. We're gonna do a wing. So I just like to do a thin line and extend and meet them up in the middle. I mean, it wasn't the best wing, but like we don't have to judge. So now we're gonna go to the bottom lash line because I am running out of time. I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm just gonna take to territorial and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Mix in a little bit of First Defense, the orange color, just to kind of match it with the top. I'm gonna put this liner, it's e.l.f.'s liner, it's just like a gold liner, I'm putting that in my waterline. Lashes and put mascara on, and then all we have to do is lips and set. I'm going to Minnesota in a couple days, so I'm gonna be documenting that, but I'm also doing like a huge summer vlog, which is gonna be separate from the Minnesota one, but it's gonna have a couple of my adventures, the adventures of university and all that, basically just like anything that I decided would be fun to film in the summer is probably gonna be in that. But yeah, so right now it's pretty chill, but like my summer's been good overall. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational in Black is Black. Okay, so here's the finished look. I set my brows with Maybelline's Great Lash and Clear, and I set my face with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Spray Mist, Setting Mist. And then for lips, I did Buxom's Lip Gloss and Sugar. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I know that I've been gone for a while, and I'm sorry about that, and I'm back now, so leave in the comments what you want to see me do next. Tell me stuff inspiring me. You know, if you want to see me anywhere else, my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat are all just Kiara Hasmatali, my name. But yeah, if you like this video, let me know. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna try and be a little more active. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.